Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today I will compare two soundbar in this video. So let's go, now enjoy this video. Firstly, we start design. Dimensions: soundbar 43.7 into 2.4 into 4.7 inch, subwoofer 8.1 into 13.9 into 11.9 inch, and soundbar 43.7 into 2.3 into 4.7 inch, subwoofer 8.2 into 15.8 into 15.8 inch. Weight: soundbar 4.9 kg, subwoofer 2.7 kg, and soundbar 5.1 kg, subwoofer 9.8 kg. Wall mountable, yes, with include hardware. Mountable bar, yes. Bar brackets include, yes. Part 2, sound quality. Channel configuration: 3.1.2 channel and 5.1.2 channel. Trusted preset: standard. Slope -0.22 and 0.22. Standard error 2.64 dB and 2.75 dB. Low frequency 43.6 Hz and 28.7 Hz. High frequency 19.9 kHz. Crosstalk error 2.44 dB and 2.73 dB. SPL max volume 92.2 dB SPL and 98.4 dB SPL. DRC max volume 3.00 dB and 2.82 dB. Amplifier output 246 watt and 360 watt. Audio decoding: Detach X Dolby Atmos, Dolby True HD LPCM, and Detach X Dolby Atmos, Dolby Digital Plus, Dolby True HD LPCM. HDMI compliance CEC EARC. HDR support HDR10 Plus. Part 3, connectivity. Optical audio in, on. HDMI out, EARC. Analog audio in 3.5 mm, no. Supported file formats. Part 4, features. Display, yes. Customize EQ remote apps, yes. Dynamic range control, yes. Auto volume night mode, yes. Subwoofer level adjustment, yes. Virtual surround, yes. EQ graphics plus preset. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.